You only have to do a very few things right in your life, so long as you don't do too many things wrong. Buffett emphasizes the significance of avoiding major mistakes rather than trying to make numerous correct decisions. He advises individuals to focus on a few areas where they have a clear advantage and excel in those areas. Buffett's primary focus has been on investing and managing Berkshire Hathaway. By devoting his energy to this core area of expertise, he has achieved remarkable success while avoiding distractions in unrelated businesses. The stock market is designed to transfer money from the active to the patient. Buffett stresses the importance of patience and a long-term perspective when investing in the stock market. He believes that trying to time the market or engage in frequent trading is less likely to lead to superior returns. Buffett's long-term investment approach has allowed him to benefit from compounding returns. By holding on to stocks for many years, he has witnessed significant growth in his investments, often outperforming those who frequently buy and sell. Your premium brand had better be delivering something special, or it's not going to get the business. Buffett recognizes the importance of building a strong and unique brand. He advises companies to offer exceptional products or services that differentiate them from competitors and provide value to customers. Buffett has invested in several well-known consumer brands, such as Coca-Cola and See's Candies. These companies have built strong brand loyalty by consistently delivering high-quality products and experiences to their customers. The most important investment you can make is in yourself. Buffett emphasizes the value of personal development and continuous learning. He believes that investing in oneself through education, skills development, and self-improvement is crucial for long-term success. Buffett has been an avid reader throughout his life, dedicating a significant amount of time to learning and gaining knowledge in various fields. His commitment to self-improvement has helped him become one of the most successful investors of all time. It is not necessary to do extraordinary things to get extraordinary results. Buffett advises against chasing complex or exotic investment strategies. He believes that focusing on simple and proven investment principles, executed consistently, can lead to extraordinary results over time. Buffett's investment strategy primarily focuses on identifying undervalued businesses with sustainable competitive advantages, known as value investing. By sticking to this straightforward approach, he has achieved remarkable long-term returns. The best thing I did was to choose the right heroes. Buffett stresses the importance of choosing role models and mentors who possess admirable qualities and values. Selecting the right individuals to look up to can have a profound impact on personal and professional development. Buffett has often mentioned Benjamin Graham, his college professor and mentor, as one of his heroes. Graham's teachings on value investing greatly influenced Buffett's investment philosophy and shaped his successful career. You can't make a good deal with a bad person. Buffett emphasizes the importance of integrity and ethical behavior in business dealings. He advises against entering into partnerships or transactions with individuals who lack honesty and ethical standards. Buffett's reputation for integrity has allowed him to build long-term relationships with business partners and negotiate favorable deals. His commitment to doing business with trustworthy individuals has contributed to his success. If you don't feel comfortable owning a stock for 10 years, you shouldn't own it for 10 minutes. Buffett encourages a long-term perspective when investing in stocks. He advises against making short-term trades based on market fluctuations and instead focuses on the underlying fundamentals and long-term prospects of a company. Berkshire Hathaway's investment in the Coca-Cola Company is a prime example of Buffett's long-term mindset. He has held on to the stock for decades, confident in the company's enduring brand and ability to generate consistent returns over time. I try to buy stock in businesses that are so wonderful that an idiot can run them because sooner or later, one will. Buffett looks for companies with strong business models and competitive advantages that can withstand changes in management. He seeks businesses that are resilient and can continue to thrive even with less than stellar leadership. Buffett's investment in the Kraft Heinz Company exemplifies this philosophy. While the company faced management challenges and financial difficulties, its strong brands and market positions helped mitigate some of the negative effects. Risk and reward are related. If you want a higher return, you have to take on more risk. But you can mitigate risk by being patient and buying at the right price. Buffett acknowledges the relationship between risk and reward in investing. He advises investors to be patient and wait for opportunities to buy quality assets at attractive prices, which can help mitigate potential downside risk. During market downturns, Buffett has been known to deploy significant capital and make large investments, taking advantage of the lower prices. By buying when others are fearful and assets are undervalued, he has managed to generate substantial returns over time. Honesty is a very expensive gift. Don't expect it from cheap people. Buffett values honesty and integrity in business and warns against associating with individuals who lack these qualities. He believes that dishonesty can lead to significant costs and negative consequences in the long run. Throughout his career, Buffett has prioritized conducting business with people who have a reputation for honesty and integrity. This approach has allowed him to build strong relationships and avoid potentially damaging partnerships. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.